Today I'm going to be going over what I think to be the best free video editing software, and that is Capcut. Now, I just wanted to preface this by saying that this video is not sponsored at all. This is just what I think, being a video editor and have edited on so many different softwares throughout the years. Now, a little information about Capcut. It is available on all devices, which I think to be one of the best features. So it is available on Mac, it is available on PC, it has a web version, and it even has an app on Android and Apple. And I think this to be one of the best features because if you actually look at the difference between all of the different softwares and apps, they all pretty much look the same. I started out just doing social media edits on Capcut, like, short reels, YouTube shorts, and stuff like that. But once I found out that they had a, app for the computer, I was literally so excited because I love the app so much. And then I went on the computer and realized it looked exactly the same. So it wasn't that much of a hard learning curve. Now, as far as the abilities and what it's able to do, it's pretty much able to do basically what any other paid video editor is able to do. Now, if I'm not on Capcut, I usually edit on Premiere Pro, which can be a little bit overwhelming for people if you're just starting out. But coming from Premiere Pro and going to Capcut, they pretty much have a lot of the same features, but just in a more simplified manner. So you're still able to trim your videos, you're still able to color correct. They even have background noise removal, and you're able to generate automatic captions and all of that good stuff. And another thing that Capcut has that a lot of paid video editors have is they actually have all of the text templates and all of the effects and stickers that you can put inside of your video to make it more engaging. So I'm just going to do like a quick dashboard tour. So yeah, just looking at the dashboard, this is I just pulled up a quick video that I edited about a few weeks ago for a Freedom Coach. And as you can see, it's a multi-track editor, so they have a track for each different thing that you want to put on there. So they have the music track, the A-roll track, there's a B-roll track, as many tracks as you need, There's an effect track, and even they put your captions on a different track. Now, Capcut automatically generates your captions for you, so you don't even have to manually go in there and type it. So this is I'm just going through the video to see how it looked. Now, the stock footage did not come from off of Capcut. It actually came from off of Canva, but everything else that you see here, the music, the captions, the effect, this all came from Capcut. And as you can see up here, you have your media where you can import your files. There's audio where you can search up different commercial music and stuff that you can use in your videos. They have the text where you can create your own text, or you can, automatically generate your captions. They have the text templates in case you want to put titles on there, the transitions, filters, basically anything that you would need in a normal video editor is here. And that's why I think it's one of the best free video editing apps. Now, Capcut does have a paid version. I just wanted to put that out there. So if you're inside the app and you notice like the little pro icon next to it, that means it's a paid feature. But I really do think that you can get by with a lot just by using the free version. And they even have like 1 month subscriptions to where you can pay for the video editor for 1 month instead of having it like a monthly subscription. The 1 month is like $7.99 and the yearly is like $79.99, which again isn't bad compared to other video editors. But even with that, like I said, the majority of the effects, transitions, features are free, so I don't even think you need that. Now, for those of you who are looking for a step-by-step process of how I edit videos, including the one that you've seen in this video on the Capcut dashboard, then you can find that in the description box or on the video card. It should be like around here somewhere. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.